27-year-old motorcyclist Ashwin died due to potholes late night on Sunday in Bengaluru. BWSSB dug a road near MS Palya en route to Maneshwara layout. Ashwin was on his way back home and accidentally fell into the pothole. He suffered grievous injuries. People immediately dialed ambulances but didn't reach the spot for more than an hour. He was shifted to a private hospital in a pedestrian car and he succumbed to injuries. He was the only son and the breadwinner for his family. Friends and family members even protested against authorities on the same this morning.